no matter who you are, where you are, what your choices have been, and what karmic timelines and contracts you have journeyed, the light is calling for the reunification of all aspects of life in this realm now. It is calling for the cleansing of all polarities. It is calling for the rising of all sacred heart centers now. All are being summoned home to the greater light now.
I am union, I'm a Christ and Magdalene. I am union, I'm a Magdalene Christ. I am union, I'm Source Mother, Father. I am union, I'm the blessed Earth Mother. I am union, merged now as one light. I am union, breathing unity of sight. I am union, I am one with the all. I am union, living now my true heart's call. I am union, now remembering these rhymes. I am union, shining light of all time. Breathe union in my heart, Mother, Father, God, and Blessed Earth Mother. Breathe union in my sight, Christed brothers and Magdalene sisters. Breathe union in my light, so I activate now to shine as bright. Breathe union in my soul, so I fully remember and follow its perfect footsteps home.